Hello, welcome back to my channel. I'm just going to go over a few of my favorite items. I bought a few in 2017 and I'm helping to complete my makeup collection in 2018. So if you're interested, stay tuned. And please don't forget to like the video if you do like it and subscribe to my channel. I'm actually going to be giving a few giveaways away that I got, kind of extra products. So please just leave a comment, let me know what you think about the video and my favorite items, and you may be a winner. Stay tuned. My first item, I am addicted, once again I use the word quite often, to Morphe. This is the 35F. I've seen a lot of my favorite YouTubers like Nikki Tutorials, #1. She loves it. And so after watching her video, quite honestly, I decided, okay, I gotta get it. I can't live without it. I must have it. And I love the fact that it has several different types of, it has the matte finishes and then also the gloss, the glitter. It comes with everything. I'll never use all of this, but I do love it, and it was at a great price. So I'll leave the details below, but I did order that directly from the Morphe's website. Here's my second palette. This one here is the 350M, and it's to die for. I kid you not, I've done makeup pretty much all my life, and I do have a skincare cosmetic line that I represent. This here is magnificent. These colors are pretty much, I hope you can see them, they're all matte. And what I love about them is, for my skin tone, I do like more of a matte finish for eyeshadow. I've been kind of playing a little bit with the different shades of glitter and glossy and more vibrant, and it's turning out to be nice. I'm kind of learning to like it. The last packet I bought, this is by Morphe as well, and it's the 352. Yeah, actually it's the 3502. And this one here, once again, it has such vibrant colors. The pigmentations are great for all skin tones, but definitely for mine. I'm kind of a medium brown. And I love the fact that it doesn't fade into my skin. I have issues sometimes with products that you put on your eyes and then by midday they're gone. And I honestly, I have such a busy schedule and I really don't have time to reapply my eyeshadow, makeup, or lipstick. I'm a little bit more lenient with applying my lipstick simply because I'm talking and I'm eating and I may wear it off a little bit more. So I was in Los Angeles not too long ago, and downtown LA has magnificent, reasonably priced products. And so I went to one of the makeup stores in the alley and I got this. This is actually, I hope you can see it, this is actually camouflage and concealer. Beyond great. Anything you need to hide, cover, or conceal, this is your baby. And I'll leave the names of everything below. I was looking at a couple of videos. I am addicted to YouTube. I love it. And I saw this. This is by B&H. It's Take Me Back to Brazil. Beautiful packaging. I love the way they highlight it. And I kid you not, what's inside is on and cracking. I'm not a big color person. I tend to stay more with the earth tones and sometimes the beiges, but this here is beautiful. And if you're going out and you have a fabulous event you want to go to, this is the product. B&H Cosmetics. Okay, and a couple of more. I found this is by RX by Kiss. Kiss has stepped it up. I mean, I am addicted to going into the beauty supply stores and buying everything they have. This here, let me get it on camera here. This here is actually a concealer and contour. Phenomenal, I must say. And once again, this is not a sponsored video, but I prefer cream. Sometimes powders, it's harder for me to blend them in as a contour, but this works perfectly. Let's see. And then I was in Miami not too long ago on Lincoln Road. I love Ricky's Cosmetics. I'm hooked for sure. And this is by Center Stage Pinky Rose Cosmetics. It's called Center Stage. Let me just not get this all over me. This here is a basic simple palette, but the colors are so vibrant. I mean, and it just works phenomenal, especially on my skin tone. So I'll try and give you a hint It's off the chain. I love it. But I will link everything below so that you know exactly what I'm talking about. So this is by B&H Cosmetics also. I hope you can see it. And this here is Wild and Radiant Bake Illuminating and Bronzing Palette. Of course, I feel that my skin tone is colorful enough, tan enough, brown enough, but there are times when in the winter I am pale as hell. So I love to bronze and actually kind of give myself a little bit more highlight and contouring. So this works perfectly. I love it. And I'm wearing a little bit on this video here. It just makes your skin stunning. And what I found is that, especially in the winter months, I'm living in a cold place now. I hate it. It pisses me off. But I'm a true California girl, and so I want to keep my skin tone. I want to keep it radiant and glowing. And so what I've done, I started using more bronzers and more things to just kind of give me that glow from the sun, which I don't get right now. Okay, and I think this is my last Morphe product, but as you can tell, I'm addicted to this shit. Okay, so this is a palette I bought in Miami at Ricky's. And they had it on display, and the colors in the palettes are similar, but they're still different. So I'm able to have 4 or 5 different palettes from Morphe, and they don't have the same colors in them. And this one here, let me see if the product name is on the back, and it is 25B. So you see they're all different named and numbered products, and they offer such variety in pigmentation. So I love it. And I'm getting close to the end, but I found this also on YouTube. This is B&H Cosmetics, again, Solar Flare. And it's 18 colors baked eyeshadow palette. This is the shit. It really is. If you want some glow and glitter to your skin and on your eyes, and you could even use it as a highlighter, and right here, right in the corners of your eyes, please believe this is great. And this is one of the palettes I will be giving away. So if you're interested, please comment below, and that will enter you into the giveaway. A couple of more. This is Absolute New York. It's in a medium. It's a pro bronzer. And I'm telling you, I need it now. I never needed it before when I lived in California. It was not a need for it. The sun was plentiful. But now times have changed, so looking at a bronzer is key to me. So I enjoy making sure that I'm bronzing on a regular. Okay, finally, ladies and gents, this here I picked up in LA. This is called Amuse. It's matte lipstick. It's a whole tray, so you don't have to go try and get one at a time. You get the whole damn thing. Here it is. I mean, it is amazing. They go on a matte finish. I tend to like a little gloss, so what I'll do is I'll put like a little bit of a highlighter in the center of my lips. I have full lips. I love my lips. And so I like to make sure that they're cared for. This product here, let me see if it goes this way, is phenomenal. And I think I got it for like $6. But I will link everything below where I got my products, what my favorites are, 2017 and right now for 2018. Thank you for watching. See you next time.